Hi everyone, let's start learning how to advertise our business through LinkedIn. As we learned in our previous lecture, we can run our ads or we can promote our business on Facebook and on Google. In the same way, LinkedIn also provides us the platform, the paid platform for advertising or for promoting our business through LinkedIn. So in today's lecture, I am just covering how we can run our ads on LinkedIn. The first necessity of running these ads is we should have our LinkedIn account. If you don't have LinkedIn account, then just create your LinkedIn account and after that only you can make the advertisements. I already had my LinkedIn account, so what I'll do, the this is the address or this is the URL which you have to open for running your advertisements. So I'm just opening this URL. I'll just type linkedin.com/ads. Once you type this URL, you will get this type of screen. This is for when you are creating your ads for first time. There are two options. One is start now, the second is manage your ads. If you already created your ads, then you have to click on manage your ads. But now I'm just creating first time. So what I'll do, I'll just click on start now. After you just enter your email ID, your password of your LinkedIn account, and then sign in to your LinkedIn. See, after signing, you will get this type of screen. It is asking for create the ad group, create the ad campaign, then targeting, then campaign, and then for checkout option. There are four options. So first, it is asking for create your ad. For example, it's very easy. It's not as much tough as PPC or the AdWords. It is having 2 to 3 steps. So first it is asking for name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving the name for my own website, Learn AdWords. Whatever name you want to give to your campaign, you just enter the name. After that, it is asking for the campaign name. It is providing so many languages. You can select as your campaign language, and after that it is giving the option you can create maximum up to 15 ad variation, and after creating you can check which ad is performing well as compared to the other campaigns. It is combination of text as well as image text and the image you can add in your campaign. There are only two options which you can make. One is for your web page, whatever website you want to promote, and the second is the promotion of your LinkedIn page. So I'm just making the advertisement for my website promotion. So I'm just writing my website. You can select any landing page or you can select any page you want to promote. I'm just giving the main page or the home page. After that, it is asking for any headline you want to give for this campaign. So I'm just giving same thing, free learning material for heading and the description. The description is up to 75 characters. Join PPC classes. Whatever description you want to enter, as we enter in PPC or in Facebook, the same way you have to give your description up to 75 characters. Just give the details, whatever you want or whatever you want to add in your advertisement. Just enter the details, and after that if you want to include any image, then you can select the image. I already had the image in my library, so I'm just selecting this, and after that just click on. There are the three types of ads you can create. See, look at the side, right hand side. One is square, second is tall, it's in long form, and after that third one is long. 3 ways you can promote your advertisement You can look at the examples also, which type of ad will appear on the LinkedIn page. These are the different examples which are already running. When you will create your ad will appear in this format. So first let's create our ad. Now after filling this campaign details, it just asks for the campaign name, after that the ad language, and then you want to promote your website or you want to promote your LinkedIn page. So I'm just making the campaign for my website. So after entering all details, just click on the next button on the right hand side. So it will ask for the few more details. If you want to make another copy, you just duplicate, and after that you just click on add variation, and then you can create another copy at the same time. But I'm just creating one campaign, so I'm clicking on next. After clicking next button, it will ask for the other options where you want to show your advertisement, what is your target location. After that you want to, for example, I'm just showing it to, see, this is some different way for selecting. First I'm selecting Asia, after that it is asking for the country India, and then the countries where you want to display your ads. You can select as number of cities you want to select in your campaign. So I'm just selecting 2 or 3, and then you can narrow to separate areas also where you want to place, or where you want that your ad will appear. So I'm not selecting more. So after that just close this box. See, this is your location which you are selected, Delhi, Haryana and UP. After that, the companies, you want to show your ads to all the companies, or you want to show your ad to any specific company, you want to exclude, you don't want to show your ad to any specific company, then you can select from these options. You can go into detail. Job title, if you want that your ad should not appear to any particular job category, not to CEO or any other, to student or any other job category, then you can select from this box also. After that, there are different more targeting options. Same thing, if you want to select to show or to display your ad to any particular school, any particular category, any degree students, whatever. These are the ways to narrow, to make your ad better performing for the specific people. You can the ad will be appear to the specific people of as related to your advertisement. For example, I'm showing this ad to all gender. Age, I'm showing it to 18 to 24 only. After that, I'm just again clicking next. I had created my ad campaign, I had created my ad. Now after that, we are here for the bid. How much bid you want to apply? So this is the main thing, that LinkedIn is more costly as compared to Facebook and as compared to Google. If you can look at the screen, the minimum bid required for one advertisement is 100 rupees. You can't run ad less than 100 rupees. So it's very costly. It's only so I'm just entering 105 rupees for my advertisement. Same two options, one is CPC, one is CPM, that is pay when someone will click on your advertisement. CPC, as we know in Google AdWord. CPC is when someone will click on our ad, only then Google deduct the money from our account. The same way here it is CPC. If someone will click on your advertisement, then only it will charge 100 rupees or whatever bid you had provided, it will deduct that much of amount. The second thing is CPM, cost per 1000 impressions. The number of times, the 1000 times your ad will appear, it will charge the 100 rupees. Next, it is asking for the budget, for daily budget. So I'm just entering 1250 rupees. And the third thing is how long should we run your campaign, for how much time you want to run. One is indefinitely, you are paying daily the fixed amount, you don't want to set any date, then you can select indefinitely. Otherwise you can select the date when you want to stop your campaign. So I'm just selecting 20th of August to stop my campaign. So look at the right side. These are the audience, or these are the targeted options which I just selected. Location Delhi, Haryana, UP. Age, I just restricted my ad age. Add to age group of 18 to 24. And after that, campaign details, my bid is 105 rupees. Minimum bid is 100 rupees. You can't enter the bid less than 100 rupees. This is the main condition of LinkedIn ads. The daily budget which I entered is 1250 rupees. And the campaign, I just want to stop on 20th of August. So after this, I just save my this campaign. Click on save changes. Now after that, this was the step which we had created our campaign, our ad group, and after that we just created our ad. Now since we have to pay the money, without money your ad will not run on LinkedIn. So it is providing two options, credit or debit card only, no option for online transfer of the money. So here you have to enter your details, credit card and debit card details. Once you pay the amount, if you have any coupon code, you just enter here and then you can select review order. This is how we can run our advertisements on LinkedIn. So you enter your details and after that start running the advertisements as we run on Google, as we run on Facebook. This was the way how we can create or how we can promote our business through LinkedIn. So this is the video for today. So hope you learn something new. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video I will come with the new topic and then we will learn something new. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.